In 2026, Russia has once again made headlines with its missile launcher upgrades, pushing the limits of long-range warfare and redefining modern battlefield strategy. But what makes this story fascinating for both defense enthusiasts and car lovers is how military innovations are overlapping with the same technologies we now see in the automotive world. What happens on the front lines often shapes the vehicles we drive in everyday life. Russia's most talked about upgrade in 2026 is the modernization of the S-500 and the Iskander M missile launcher systems. Known for their mobility and destructive accuracy, these launchers have been given major enhancements this year. Engineers have focused on speed, mobility, and digital integration. In fact, the newest Iskander launchers are mounted on platforms that are lighter, stronger, and more fuel-efficient. This isn't just about firepower, it's about ensuring launchers can move quickly across rough terrain, much like an off-road vehicle built for extreme conditions. One of the most surprising developments is the shift toward hybrid electric propulsion in Russia's latest mobile launchers. The idea may sound futuristic, but it's practical. When operating in stealth mode, electric drives allow the launcher to move quietly, avoiding detection. And when maximum power is needed, diesel engines provide the raw strength. This dual system mirrors what we're seeing in 2026's hottest cars, where hybrid and fully electric drivetrains dominate the market. Just as automakers aim to give drivers range and efficiency, Russia's missile engineers want their vehicles to cover more ground while using less fuel. The integration of artificial intelligence is another big leap. The 2026 Russian launchers are designed to connect with satellites and drones in real time, calculating launch trajectories with precision in just seconds. This is eerily similar to how modern cars use AI for navigation, lane keeping, and automated braking. Both industries rely on sensors, predictive algorithms, and adaptive systems. For the military, it means hitting a target hundreds of kilometers away. For drivers, it means avoiding accidents and keeping a car steady in traffic. Different goals, but the same technological backbone. Let's talk performance, because numbers always make things clear. The upgraded Iskander M missile launcher in 2026 can fire precision-guided missiles over 500 kilometers, with improved evasion against air defenses. The S-500, meanwhile, is focused on intercepting incoming threats at ranges previously thought impossible. Now compare this with the auto world. The latest electric vehicles in 2026 are hitting ranges of 700 kilometers per charge. The parallel is striking. Whether it's a missile or a car, the race is about distance, efficiency, and smart adaptation. Mobility is another key point. Russia's missile launchers are built on massive wheeled platforms that need to survive everything from icy tundra to rocky desert landscapes. To achieve this, engineers have redesigned suspension systems and adaptive traction controls that aren't too different from what we see in luxury SUVs. Just as car makers advertise comfort and control on rough roads, the military demands stability and precision for their launchers under battlefield stress. Once again, innovation overlaps in unexpected ways. Another important factor in 2026 is modularity. Russia has been working on missile systems that can adapt to different types of ammunition depending on the mission. This flexible design is mirrored in the auto industry, where modular vehicle platforms allow one base design to support multiple models: sedans, SUVs, or trucks. Both sectors know the future is about adaptability, not one-size-fits-all solutions. The cost and efficiency of maintenance also play a role. Russian engineers are aiming to design launchers that can be serviced quickly in the field, reducing downtime and increasing operational readiness. In the auto world, we see the same philosophy. Car companies are making vehicles easier to repair and update with over-the-air software improvements, ensuring long-term reliability and lower costs for owners. Now, here's the crossover perspective car lovers enjoy. Think of Russia's missile launchers as the ultimate heavy-duty off-road vehicles. They can carry enormous payloads, cross rivers, climb rugged mountains, and keep rolling under the harshest conditions. The technology used to make them tough, reinforced tires, adaptive drivetrains, advanced braking systems, is slowly trickling down into consumer trucks and off-road SUVs. So, the same engineering that ensures a launcher survives the battlefield could be what powers your next weekend adventure vehicle. Looking ahead, Russia AS 2026 upgrades reveal a future where military and civilian tech will continue to influence one another. Silent electric drives, AI-powered navigation, and modular platforms are not just shaping the next generation of weapons. They're reshaping the next generation of cars. What the Russian military builds for survival and power, automakers transform into comfort and performance for everyday drivers. At the end of the day, whether you're fascinated by defense technology or passionate about cars, the story is the same. Innovation doesn't exist in isolation. What begins in the labs of military engineers often finds its way into the garages of car lovers around the world. The 2026 Russian missile launcher upgrade is more than just a weapon. It's a glimpse into the future of mobility, performance, and adaptability. And that's why keeping an eye on defense isn't just about watching wars unfold. It's also about understanding where tomorrow's cars, trucks, and SUVs are headed. So, if you think missiles and cars have nothing in common, think again. The overlap is already here, and it's shaping the world faster than we realize.